Hi, welcome to Evening Afterglow. Well, we finished the Epistle of James today, James chapter 5, verses 19 and 20. I've really enjoyed our jog through James, and I hope you've enjoyed our studies as well. These last two verses in the book of James chapter 5 are really powerful verses. James doesn't end the book like most writers of epistles in the New Testament where they say, well, I want to say hello or goodbye to so-and-so says hello to you, and kind of doing some housekeeping before they end the book. James doesn't do any of that. In fact, he just runs all the way straight to the end of the book, telling us important things we need to know, including in these last two verses. Now, in these verses, he says, look, if anyone wanders away from the truth, he's talking about a Christian, wandering away from the truth, and someone brings him back to the faith, then the person who brings them back should know that they have saved this person who wandered away from eternal death and covered a multitude of sins. Wow, there's a lot in that. Two short verses. It tells us that Christians sometimes do wander away, and it's a serious matter, particularly if we wander away from the gospel. And certainly we don't believe that Christians can ever truly be ultimately lost, but in the process of life we sometimes lose our way and we wander away. It also talks about how it's important for Christian friends to help each other stay true to the faith. And that's part of the life of the church. We have a covenant together to help each other be accountable to the Lord. And so if you see someone that's wandering away from the faith, go after them in love and gentleness and care and concern and compassion and try to persuade them to come back to the faith. And then the third thing that's striking about that to me is how important this all is. If you wander away from the faith, you're dealing with eternal judgment. You can't deny Christ, you can't deny the gospel and survive that. And so this is a really important thing. I don't think he's talking about the sins that we might commit day to day. We all sin as God's people. We do that, we don't like it, we don't mean to do it sometimes. But I don't think that's what he's talking about. He's talking about a deliberate wandering away from the gospel of Jesus Christ. We've got to help one another stay on track. So I want to encourage you today to do a number of things. Be willing to be rebuked if someone comes to you and says, hey, you're not walking with Jesus. You need to get that right. And be humble about that and be teachable. The other thing is be willing to help another come back if you see them wandering away from Christ as well. This takes courage, but it takes a lot of love too. And you can love them by showing them the way back to Jesus Christ. This journey we're on is a wonderful journey. It's a hard journey, and we need each other. I pray for you as we continue our journey together that we'll be faithful in the gospel. I pray for you that that'll be true. It's been great to be with you in these evening afterglows through James. We'll pick up the evening afterglows later in the fall. And when we do that, I'll look forward to getting back with you. Stay with us. We'll still be doing morning afterglows each and every week. God bless you till next time on Evening Afterglow.